You may recognize me from My Dakota Blue, but this is the introduction video to our new airsoft team. Me and my friends are starting, so Monday we might have a video, probably we will have a video out. So I just want to bring you guys what we're going to do. Some of the things we're going to do is we're going to do reviews. One of them will be on airsoft guns. Others will be on gear and apparel. And most of them will be games, though. Well, most of them will actually be probably reviews. But there will be some games that we'll have out. So, thank you. If you're waiting for, if you want to do anything, or if you're waiting for videos to come out, go ahead and click the subscribe button up there, I believe. Yeah, up there. So you guys will be able to watch this, and you'll, it's somewhere up here. Anyways, so you guys will be ready for that. I'm filming this with, and I'll film the game with, a GoPro, the GoPro HD Hero 2. So if my voice sounds muffled, you need to turn your volume up, and I'll leave that in the description below. If you want to go check out my original channel, go check it out at, link in the description below. So go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and like, and go share this with your friends. If any of you like airsoft, that's gonna be really good. I'll have a Facebook page and a Twitter page sometime today. I'll probably have the Facebook page right after this video. And I'll put a link to that into Monday's video. But if you're friends with me on Facebook or you're with My Dakota Blue, I'll have a link to that. So Monday you'll be able to have the first backyard war. It's with this. I have a guy on the team on the phone. I just put him on hold. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to comment, rate, or like, I guess that would be now. Subscribe, mostly, so you will get the video on Monday. And that's all I'm going to say.